Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to understand a very important question from the Leetcode is reordered power of 2. So we'll go through first the statement and we'll understand how to write the question, right? Because this is a really interesting problem, so I thought to create the video from scratch, okay? But guys, I'm seeing more than 70% are not doing liking and subscribing the channel. So if you are really enjoying my video that I'm posting, I want you to see more content, right? That I am going to post because I have a lot of things to share. But make sure that you hit subscribe the button and also turn on the notification bell button so you will never miss any update that I'm going to post in the future videos, right? So it will really help me if you do the subscription and liking the video. The channel will grow, and very first that it will keep me motivated to bring you even better videos in the future. So although now let's we have understand. So all right, now let's jump into the back that you are given an integer n, right? The question is saying that you are given an integer n. As you can see in the example here, we reorder the digit in any order including the original order such that leading digit is not 0. Understand? Means first of all, what we have given an integer n, right? And everything goes good according to the question after reordering the digits that I'll explain you. But if good, right, we have to return true if and only if we can do this so that the resulting number is a power of 2. So what we have given, we have given an integer, a number n. So what we have given, a number n we have given, and we can rearrange this number, right, its digit in any order, but not the leading 0 is allowed, right? Now it is saying we need to check if any of these order, right, or arrangement, right, any of the arrangement is power of 2, right? Let's understand how. So let's suppose this n we have given, right? So n is equal to 1, right? If we'll rearrange, what will happen after rearranging? Still it is 1, right? What is the power of 2? So power of 2, if you say power of 2, if anybody will say what is the power of 2? Power of 2 are 1, 2, 4, 8, then it will come 16, then I think 32. If any doubt, any error is there, let me know. Then 32, then 64 and 128. Till now I remember, okay? After that, if you remember, keep writing. So power of 2 is like this, right? So first we have given n equal to 1. Is this power of 2? Yes, it is power of 2. Is it rearrangement is correct or not? So after rearrangement, right, is it correct or not? So we can say this is 1, right? And 1 is a power of 2, right? And after rearrangement, it's good, right? So return true. That is why returning 2. Now n is we have given 10, n equal to 10. So is this n is available here in this power of 2 list? No. 1, 2, 4, 8. Then it is coming 16. Means 10 is not there. It means what? It is not, after rearrangement itself, it is not a power of 2, right? Because n equal to 10, right? If we'll do the rearrangement, not leading 0, right? Still it is 10, right? And so the power of 2, it doesn't inside this, right? So 10 is not a power of 2, and so we'll return false here. I hope you understand, right? But I hope you have not clear understanding, but so that what we can do, let's understand what the movement here it is saying, right? What is the movement diagram we can say, right? Let's suppose n equal to 128, right? Very first step, what we will do, we'll say digits. Okay, so what are the digits we have given, right? In the 128, if we are taking n equal to 128, right? What are the digits we have here? What are the digits are there? This is step 1, say. Okay, so we can say, okay, let's check the digits. So can we say that we have 1, then we have 2, then we have 8? We can say that. What are the rearrangement which is possible for these steps, right? Let's do rearrangement. Can we say that? Let's do the rearrangement of these digits, right? How we can do that? Very first, keep it itself 1 to 8. Then we'll say we'll move this one. So we can say 1, 8, and then 2 we can say that, then 2, 1, 8 we can say, then 8, 2, 8, 1 we can say, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 8, then we can say, what we can say, 281 we can say, yes, and 812 we can also say, and 821. Can we say that? I hope these are the, okay, yeah, we can say. So these are the possible rearrangements of after digits, right? We can say 128, 182, 218, 281, 812, 821. Yes, yes, yeah. Okay, so these are the possible 6 rearrangement, because 3 elements we have. So possible after the rearrangement we can build the numbers are like this. So if we'll say power of 2, right? Step 3. So you just need to do power of 2, right? Power of 2 up to where? 1000, because 821 we have. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll try to write this. Okay, so we have seen till 128, right? Means we have 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. Okay, let me find the next one. So the next one is it is 256 and 512. Okay, and so on we can keep going that. Okay, so can we say that if we know the power of 2 up to, let's suppose, thousands, up to thousands, okay, so these are the possible power of 2 and can be more, right? In the next step, step 4, we need a pointer movement, right? What do we need? A pointer movement. Just think. So how we'll create the pointer movement diagram, right? Let's understand. Let me clean and then we'll understand. So very first, if we'll do the sorting, right, 128, so we'll get what? Sorted digit is 1, 1, 2, 8, right? This is a sorted digit, right? After the sorting, so we have to compare each power of 2 with the sorted one, right? So we'll check 1, right? Is this 1? Is this different length? No, there is no different length, right? So we'll say no different length. So let's say let's write in one line. Let me clean. Okay, so what I will do, so in this step we are doing what? Pointer movement. Okay, very first, after sorting we have what? 1 to 8, right? So we'll say 1, so we'll say power is 1, then we have 2, then we have 4, then we 8 we can say, then we can say 16, then we have 32, we have 64, 128, and so on we have. Okay, so we'll check with the sorted digit. What are the sorted digit is? 1 to 8, right? Very first we'll check with the 1. Okay, length is not different, right? We can say, then what is the length of this? Is 2. Different, it's a different length. Let me say different length we can say. Okay, this is different length. What we have is 4, different length. What is the length? 8, different length. 16, 1 and 6, 2 digit is there, different length. Then we'll check 3 and 2, different length. Like that, our pointer will keep checking 6 and 4, different length. Once it will reach here, it will say, okay, 1, 2 and 8, perfect match, right? Return true. Understand? Like that you have to think the pointer movement. Okay, so we know the power of 2. These are the power of 2, right? And these are their digits, right? Means we have to compare each power of 2, right, with that sorted digits. What are the sorted digits? We have 1, 2 and 8. This is our sorted digits. So we have to check this sorted digit, right, with our power of 2. We have to compare the power of 2, right, with the sorted digits. Where it will match? Here it will match. Okay, we'll say this is a perfect match, return true. Okay, I hope you understand. So can we say that the for the power of 2 flow, how power flow is working? So if we have n sorted, right, for example we have 1, 2 and 8. If we have n sorted in n sorted means the digit in the n sorted digits, right? What we have? 1, 2 and 8 we have, right? Right. So the sorted power sorted become power of 2. Sorted, we can say that we have to compare each digit, right? Each digit. Can we say that we can do skip if mismatch, or either we will skip or stop if mismatch, we can say. So this is the thing we need to do, right? And this is called the pointer move digit by digit. Pointers moves move digit by digit, right? Digit by digit, comparing. Okay, so instead of generating all the permutation of digit, which could be huge, right, what we need to do, we should notice that two numbers are permutations of each other if their sorted digits are identical, right? So we can sort the digit of n once and we'll compare with the power of 2 sorted, right? And we'll skip it if it is mismatched. Each digit we have to compare. If it is matched, we'll say return true. Can we say that? So can we say that in the very first step in the approach, right? That is our intuition. Now understand the approach. What we should do? Very first, you say, guys, convert n to a string. Okay, how? You first sort the digit, right, and store as target, right? Then you loop I from 0 to 30. Then first what you should do, you should compute power of 2, right? Then what you should do, you should sort its digit once you find the power of 2, right? Sort its digits. You have seen, right? I did what? Power of 2, then we are writing 1, 2 and 8, and then we are checking each digit after the very first step 1, right? Then if it match, if it match, right, target, we return true. Else, you know what you need to do? Then in step 3, if loop ends, return false. Okay, so you pause this and try yourself. You will be able to do it. Otherwise I'll do that. Okay, don't worry. Let's understand here. So very first, what you have given, you have given, okay, let me go a little zoom out. So very first, what you have given, n we have given, means number we have given, right? Means very first we need to do find the target, because I have to take 2 in the string. So you just sort, give the name sort digits, right? And you pass n. We have to sort this. So we need to sort the digit of number n. Can we say that? So this function we need to create here, or you can say method. Let's suppose call this as a helper method, and we'll say it will return a string, and we call this sort digit, right? And we'll pass int num. This is our number, right? Now you know from the nums, right, how we can get all the characters. Very first, this is given in the integer, you convert into the string. The value of string dot value of you will do, and you pass the num, you will convert into where? The string. We can do that. So it's, we can say string num string num str. So this we convert num str, number in string num str. Now we have to convert into character. So this is your character array, and we can say our character array or char array, we can say, right? Char array, we can say. Okay. So char array, how we can get it? Nums str we have, dot we need to do to char array, to catch array. Okay. Now you need to do sorting, right, of the character. How you to do? So array dot sort method is there. You just need to pass char array. Okay, char array. This is the method we have given, right? And then once it is sorted, you need to return new string, right? New string, and you need to pass char array, right? Char array. I hope you understand it, right? Very first, we have converted into a string of this number, right? From integer to string. Then we have converted this num string into character array, this one. Then we have sorted this character array, and then we have we are returning back to the in the string format. So you will get sorted one here. Okay. This is the first thing we had to do. Now we should compare all the digits, right? For that, I told you we have to go int I equal to 0, and I should be less than, we can say 31, because till 30 we have to go, right? And I plus plus, right? Because this is our range, 2 to the power 0 to 2 to the power what? What is our range? Range is power of 2, power of 2 is 0 to 30. This is our range. Okay, this is our nothing but we can say is a range. So what we need to do here, we have to calculate the left shift, right? So can we say that int power, if we'll take equal to 1, this will work the same, right? Power of 2, can we say that? Once we'll get the power of 2, right, what we need to do, if we'll say target dot equals, to compare the two string contents, we have to do equals target dot sort. So this will, we need to pass here also like this, and here we will pass power, not end. We have to do the same for the power. Okay, so you will check if both content is same, return true. Okay, else in the last you will return false. I hope you understands. Let me try. Okay, so all these test cases are passing, right? This will code work. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt in this video, let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe this channel, and as well as share the video with your friends and family member if they are preparing, and please subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching this video.